While some are reluctant to say there is an exact diabetes cure, others are more optimistic. There have been recent developments in the surgical world which allow a sufferer of type 2 diabetes to have an operation which could eradicate the disease. The operation is what is known as duodenal jejunal bypass and could be the way forward in treating diabetes and finding a two doctors by the names of Dr. L. Mafucci and Dr. Rangrak performed this bypass on a diabetes sufferer during a clinical trial. The recipient couldn't go anywhere without taking his medication with him to properly treat the diabetes. The sufferer had to have at least 3 insulin shots every day and many pills and tablets. Even though he had this medication, the type 2 diabetes just continued to get worse over time. The operation includes the surgeons cutting off the foot of the small intestine and reattaching it. This procedure amazingly redirects the entire digestive tract and stops the food coming into contact with the small intestine. It is the small intestine that is the key to a diabetes cure. The small intestine houses the hormones that control the body blood sugar levels, and the operation enables the small intestine to function properly. The diabetes sufferer soon felt much better after having the surgery, and not long after the operation, he had more energy than ever before and his blood sugar levels had gone back to that of someone without diabetes. This could be a wonderful opportunity for many sufferers of type 2 diabetes. A diabetes cure is what is needed with the ever-expanding waistlines of people in America and in Europe. Diabetes can be linked to weight gain and obesity. This potential diabetes cure or treatment could be just what the world has been waiting for. This procedure is still not available anywhere other than the US, and it is still undergoing clinical trials. With the first being seemingly so successful, how long will it be until it is rolled out across the country and the world? Doctors in other countries are also starting to test the efficiency of this diabetes operation, which could see the end of the disease. Countries such as India and Mexico are also starting to test this procedure in clinical trials and in private surgeries. A doctor in Brazil has already put his patients under the knife and done at least 70 operations of this kind. The results of all these operations are unknown at this time. Diabetes is a crippling disease and affects many people directly and indirectly. Finding a real diabetes cure could be the answer we have all been looking for.